There's an old song that Big Mama used to sing, and it's still good today. I don't know about you, but every now and then, right at this same church, sometime we'll lead to the podium and sing a little bit of this song, and the spirit will start to move. Because there's just something about those old songs, didn't they, right? Anybody know anything about this song? If I walk in the pathway of duty, if I were to the close of the day, I shall see the great King. How about you? In his beauty, oh Lord, when I've gone last mile, I'm going the last mile of the way. I like this verse. If a cry I proclaim glad story, if I seek for a little sheep gone astray, I am sure he will show me his glory. Yes, he will when I've gone last mile. Oh, I'm going the last mile of the way. Girls, if y'all don't mind,
The last mile.
Oh, when I
go the last mile of the way,
I shall rest. Anybody gonna rest? Close up. Oh Lord.
At the close of the day.
For I know. Yes, I know. There's joy that awaits. Yes, it is. When I go, hey, let my, oh, when I'm on the last mile. Anybody ever think about that? When I go the last
Mile.
all the way.
When I go the last mile of the way,
I shall rest. One of these all days, close of the day, oh Lord.
the close of the day.
For I know, yes, I know, there's joy that awaits. Yes, it is. When I go last mile, I'm going the last mile of the way. Yes, I am. When I
Go the last mile of the way.
when I'm gone,
Go
I won't have to cry no more.
mile of the way.
When I'm gone,
Go
won't have to give up the right for the wrong.
mile of the way.
When I'm gone, oh Lord. Yes. Yeah!